All right, guys, this is just crazy. One, I made my first Robinhood trade today, and if you go watch the stream, this is probably the most exciting thing I've ever done. And I had awesome trades. This is the trippiest thing ever. I finally succumbed and said, all right, I'm gonna throw a small amount in. I want to see what you guys were doing. I want to see what it was like. And honestly, it was just a crazy perspective shift, and that's what I want to talk about. Why it says I'm up 3% today, but how do I come on? Where's my It says I screenshotted it up. I was up like 7%. Pretty much I closed out one trade. I made a day trade. I made $4, and this has been the most exciting thing ever. And you guys are probably laughing, or some people think it's just so weird. You're like, okay, this is stupid. But no, the biggest point and the main point out of all of this is that even getting a 3.58% return, even 4, 5, 10%, that is the main strategy. I was treating this, pretty much small contract buying on a small account I'm trying to reflect selling premium. So if you guys have watched that, you've seen it. I'm going to put it up here. And again, I'm recording this whole video from my phone, which is, again, so I'm like, this is even better. It's crazy. So let me know what you guys think. We're going to go through. I'm going to show you the plays. There's one, the CGC right there at the bottom. But I want to talk about the plays for a little bit, and then I'll go to the option chain to show you guys. But this is, here, look on the screen. Make sure you guys go check out the stock trading. No, wait, what am I saying? I meant to tell you guys the stream. Go to the stream. It's right here. And you guys could watch the recap. You guys could watch me freak out about it. And, it was a good lesson. I think there's good lessons on every single part. So the best trade I made today, I played Micron, and, let me show you guys where do I go to it? Okay, profile, history. So here's my past 30 days, right? We deposited the two. All right, so you guys can see the history here. I played Micron, and I'll show you guys the plays here on the phone, and then I'm going to show you guys, here's all the plays. You get to see NVIDIA, CGC, and Micron. So I'm showing you guys this now, and I'm trying it, but now here is my disclaimer. I couldn't stress this on the stream because I'm going to figure out how to stream my phone or even the platform for you guys. It has my personal info. I can't do the desktop one, but the main point I want to tell you guys, I want to share this with you in real time, but I told people what I was playing when I was playing it, but I wasn't telling them the contracts. I'm testing this out. I've said it. I'm putting myself in your guys' shoes. I'm starting with $250, but the difference is at the end of the day, I could go put more money in, and I don't want some of you guys starting with the small account. You're like, well, Josh is doing this challenge. He's doing it like this. Let's, follow along and do this and that. I just don't, you guys could learn from the ideas. Paper trade, you could see, I'm saying the plays on stream. You could get an idea, but even then, you guys will either notice a pattern with what I'm playing, but like, I made a key here, $58, $30. We're going after certain plays, certain risk. But the next big thing I have to say, you guys probably hear Jax, man. He's right below me now on the phone. But the next big thing is you're not going to, again, like I was saying, this isn't going to be done with weeklies. You guys have seen my other account. I said it on stream, trading, like 8 to 12 weeks in a row, YOLOing. You saw the result. It's a $8,000 account down to $4,000. But here, and you saw the result of the premium selling, and it was going for a similar strategy, 10 to 30%, and it's consistent trades. And like I said in the last video, you guys could see I just posted it yesterday. There is a lot of factors here, and it's just simply aiming small, and taking the little bit amount of money and just going for winning trades. And that's what it was. And this was so funny on stream because on the Micron, so here's my trade I was freaking out about, right? And look as you can see, I tried even with my small account, I was putting in orders. I put in an order at 31, it canceled, and look you see, I'm scalping for my $1. I was like, all right, I'm not getting filled. I was getting paranoid with the, what's it called? With the fills on Robinhood, but surprisingly, I got decent fills, pretty good. I had my other option chains up at the same time I was doing everything, so I was kind of impressed with that. But I finally got filled at 32, and this was at, what time was this? 2:15 Eastern, so I'll throw that up here on the screen. But I got filled then, and then what was it? At about 21 minutes later, I sold out at $35 was my limit price. And what did I get filled at? I think I got filled at $36. So I put it in. Wow. So they gave me that extra dollar, but hey, I made $4. And now this is ridiculous. And people are like, dude, what, even the fact I got so excited about this, but the big key to it, that's more than 10%. I think that's like what? 12, 15%. It's not bad, but then at the end of the day, you guys will see. I don't know. I'm recording this on my phone right now, so I'll see it on the computer. But at the end of the day, this was, it closed around 40 or 50 cents. But the key, and this is where now from your guys' perspective, this is what I want you to take away from this. This is why I made the title, This is My Best Trade, because this is a winning strategy if you pull this off. And I don't want you guys, I see the difference. I'm saying this whole strategy was this whole strategy, and today on this Robinhood account was such a trip, because even if I'm, trading, if I was trading a bigger account, if this was a $3,000 position, that'd be cool. 10% on $3,000 or $30,000 to make 10%. I'd be ecstatic about that, But you guys are probably like, okay, it's not worth it. I only have 3 day trades, so on and so forth. But you're not supposed to rush it anyways. And the whole idea is, Vivian said this, man, every drop of water makes the ocean, or every drop of rain. And that's the whole idea here. Just like I said in the last video, just build it up over time. But you get to really see, should you hold stuff and sell? And I see, I went through a vicious cycle today. After I sold it, I was like, oh, I had FOMO. I watched it go up, and I'm like, damn, that extra $20 would have been so much to a small account. I was like, dang, I could have got a lot more, but I didn't chase it. But now the next thing, you don't need a day trade. I did make 1 day trade today. However, I bought now these CGCs and the NVIDIAs. And by doing that, I bought this right in the morning about 9 minutes into market, and those did pretty well for me. And we'll say, I think they're up right now. And then the CGCs I bought a few hours, and those are down on me. So you see, I won 1 trade. I closed out. I'm up on the NVIDIA. I haven't closed out in the CGC. But now these two, the best part about the CGCs is that I'm going to have these now, right? And I could sell them out tomorrow. Boom. I could go make now my 10% I was looking for. Even on NVIDIA, I'm already up on this 20%. Now, here's my problem I'm going to discuss with this that I could go back to. But again, I made the money, and I have these plays, and both of them are March. They both have time. And I'm not going to be in a position, and we talked about this with somebody on stream, where I'm in a weekly and I'm worried about my day trades, running out. That's not going to be the case here. It's literally going to be, I have till March. So even then it's a lot less stressful, and the chances of your money just disappearing, it's a little less, again, but then the chances of it's less likely, but the chances of you making money also decreases as well too. So that's something you got to put into context. But now the last thing, I guess, where I made the mistake is looking at NVIDIA. It's not even a mistake. It's like, what do I do? Remember, I bought this morning for $58. I could make $12 now. That's 20%. I was stoked on $4. I'd be making $16 already in 2 days off $250. Again, that's a decent return. But, and again, I'm saying going small. And again, this is the funniest part, is I'm just treating $250 as if it's kind of 250,000 if you think about it. Going small and aiming for this small yield. But I want to show you guys the results and what happens when you compound it like that. So the whole idea of this, though, is what do I do? I have till tomorrow now to sell, but it's going to clear up my day trades. And that's now where I'm going with the strategy and where I have to focus. I have to focus on managing my day trades. That was very stressful today. Controlling FOMO and making sure I don't take my profits and try to go after a weekly, which I tried to do on Facebook, but I controlled myself because, being in the moment with the small account, but having the experience I do, it was very surreal because, like I said, I see what you guys go through now, and it's funny, and this is really fun, but you guys have to get self-control, and that's really what this is. You guys are telling me with my trading experience, what I know, how much money I have, this, at the end of the day, why I'm doing this. This is simply a test in self-control. If you can control yourself, and literally, this is just building up discipline. And honestly, if you can't do this, and it doesn't matter really how much you're making, as much as it is the discipline to keep your dick in your pants, that is going to be the game changer, I think. So I'll leave it there for you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Should we, maybe, I'm not even going to put up the charts, actually. I'm not going to put up the charts. You guys have the plays. You could go look. What do you think about these all Robinhood videos or all on the phone videos? So let me know. This is pretty cool. I love you guys. Make sure you guys check out the stream. And yeah, go to it. Everything's in the description. Bye. Love you.